Who gets this one? Extra turns. This is scratch and dent. What's up, you guys? Jake from Prism Supply. Today we're gonna walk you through one of my personal favorite products, the Prism box chopper taillight. We've always liked the original design of the box chopper taillight, or the overall look of it, but to us it was just too thick. It's too big, too heavy, too bulky. So when we came out with the Prism version, that was kind of our goal, is to thin it down as much as possible and integrate it with an LED instead of an incandescent bulb. The LED that's in the Prism box chopper light is waterproof. If you compare these side by side, the original one I believe is like 2.5 inches, where ours is 3/4 of an inch total thickness. Both of these you can run tail light or brake light options, or both. So here you can see the running light, and now you can see the brake light, running, brake, running, brake. You can buy this in 2 different variations, so one being a polished finish and one being a brush finish. The Prism box chopper light is made of 6061 aluminum, and it's made actually right here in-house in our shop in Charlotte, North Carolina. They start with a block of aluminum, basically looks like this without any holes drilled in it. This is half the process is already done on this one. We'll put this in our CNC machine the top surface of this, and then the second step of that, flip it to the next vise, and then it machines the back off and chamfers the back, which then gives you this finished product. We also have these lenses injection molded, and they are very similar to the original style. They fit actually the original housing, so if you are still running one of these ancient bulky things, which again I don't agree with you on, but if you are, our lens fits that perfectly. Package comes with 3 things. You got the tail light, 1/4-28 mounting hardware. The holes in the back of the light are 3.5 inches spaced apart. Works perfectly with our box chopper light weld-on license plate bracket, or just our normal box chopper light weld-on bracket. So you can weld these to anything you want, your sissy bar, your fender. These are available in both mild and stainless steel. The other thing it comes with is a simple, clean little wiring diagram. Just shows that your orange wire is your running light, your black wire is your ground, and your red wire is your brake light. This is the LED that comes in our Prism box chopper housing. The back of it contains some 3M double-sided sticky tape, basically. So whenever you have your housing mounted, you can stick your LED through and adhere it to the housing so that the LED is not shaking and bouncing around in there. Little bonus footage. I'm scared to, I'm a little embarrassed to show you guys this, but this is before Mitch was here and we had a 3D printer. We prototyped parts by hand. So this is like my very, very first prototype of this product. And you can kind of just see how the different revisions. This was just a very basic, very simple, prove it out that it works. The lens wasn't recessed in the original like it is now. I think we only made, I don't know, a handful of these by hand, but if you have one, it would be cool to know. So reach out to us and let us know. I think that's pretty much it for covering the box chopper taillight. They're in stock now, prismsupply.com. Dislike, don't comment, and don't subscribe. All right, let's see if it works. Oh, you gotta plug it in. All right, so for those of you that don't believe our LEDs are waterproof, we're about to prove you wrong. See the water? There's water in there, promise. Well, you get the point.
Now you gotta go fish it out.
Ew. There we go. Filled with water.
Prism Supply.
Get yours now. They're all tested right here in this turlet. Prismsupply.com. Who gets this one? Extra turns. This is scratch and dent.